posters are in Teflop for Lobola negotiations. Pretty was getting worked out to say, why are they taking forever to let them in? And then when it was time to choose the bride, but I'm a post you choose the wrong bride, but choose a stock. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scheme Sam. So it's the day of the negotiations. Pretty is busy questioning Clement. What happened in Lasa's apartment? Dr. Blue, what happened? Clement is now changing the story. Here he went upstairs. Here he was eavesdropping. Here Lihasa kicked Dr. Blue out. Here they almost... It doesn't make sense. And then Mama Posa, they arrive. And then Paleti Vulamlomo, I beg that it's not enough if Jiggy's is fees. I Jiggy's. And then finally they let them in. But the priest was not getting worked out. Why am I making a pan? You guys don't know Pumulo. Uncle Pumulo is impatient and arrogant. No, they're not trying to do that. This is how these things work. Pretty was not having it until quite a Kulmanai, and then she calmed down. And then they finally let them in. But can you show us the flower in Kulmangai? Baby is the girl's Togo, Eunice and Pretty. They come covered in blankets. When it's time to choose, Uncle Pumulo chooses the wrong person. She chooses Ustogo instead of Pretty. But they're not even the same body type. And then Baba Mvula, she realizes, I messed up. They want R1 million. Now that they've made a mistake and chose the wrong bride, definitely they're going to pay even more money. And then Omapiti calls UKG to arrange an interview for Makey. And UKG tells her, hey, Pelawena, they can't find your replacement like station. Maybe you need to come back to your job. And then when she's busy talking about the interview, preparing Maggie realizes, you're so passionate about this thing. You miss your radio job, ne? Otherwise, man, I've accepted radio. I'll just work for the family business. Who knows, maybe one day I'll run the supermarket. Hey, Maggie didn't take the joke lightly. She was not happy at all. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.